Well, what is up, everybody? It is Monday. It is a rainy, it is a little gloomy, but it's just a little liquid sunshine, and the rain makes the trees grow bigger, which makes for bigger bears and bigger carving, so kind of hard to be mad at. We've been doing a lot of updates on the shop, just trying to get ready for fall. We've completely kind of gutted everything in here, wiped it all off, hung up some new stuff, hung up my old awesome chainsaw from one of my buddies, part of my little chainsaw museum I'm trying to start. And then we've also cleaned up the front area, getting ready for mulch, getting ready for some gravel, and I'll just kind of show you around real quick. So we moved the little stumps up further to the top here, added a little bench so people can sit and take pictures, and then added that sign up there. And a quick fun fact about that, that was my original countertop for the very beginning stages of building a shop for Fat Bob's Wood Co. Started in the tent, we built this little 12 by 12 section, and that was the countertop, so was able to kind of pay homage to that. I am working on putting a new sign up there, but just put it up temporarily. And then even on the truck over here, you know, we used to have the little garden, and kind of took all that out, added some wood to the back of the truck, working on some stuff for that. But this little area here, we're gonna add some mulch, a little fire pit, some seating. Same out here, so it's looking a little bare, no pun intended. But we're just kind of prepping to get everything ready for that. And just have a wonderful, wonderful fall. Kind of in between a couple big projects. And usually Mondays are my administrative supply run, kind of me day a little bit. But I thought it would be cool to challenge myself a little bit, I guess. I've been staring at this piece for months, and I think today's the day. I just need a little freestyle carve, just something to break out of the chaos a little bit with doing all these meetings and sending out quotes and sketches and, you know, the business side of stuff. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, it's a perfect day for it. Justin's off today, just kind of hanging out, enjoying some time at the shop, and gonna do a little carving. So this is the log. It's just a little root system that I've had for about a year or so now. Picked it up a while ago. I've been moving around as we've been doing some cleanup around here. It kind of made face again, and I've had about 40 different ideas for this thing. And right before I started this video, I had what I was gonna make into it, and I look at it again and I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna do a bear. I have an idea. I'm gonna see how it goes, but I'm gonna let the wood do what it wants. And so I got the GoPro going. I'm gonna try another couple little things on the side. We got a little break in the weather, so let's make some noise. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I just wanted to do something a little freeing, something that I could just go out and not even think about. Like I said, that piece in particular, I had about 50 different ideas maybe, and it kept changing, and I wasn't really planning on making a wall piece, and then as I got into it, that's kind of what it turned into. And so just a quick fun piece, something to just take a break and enjoy some of this beautiful day. And so I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed it. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys checking us out and joining me on this journey of changing the world one piece at a time. It's been quite the journey, and I am beyond excited to be able to share this. I had a really amazing experience Saturday, real humbling. So I just want to give a shout out to Dino real quick, dude. It was so awesome to meet you. I really appreciate the time we got to spend together and the conversation that we had. I thought about it all weekend, and it just it meant a lot to me. And it's really cool and kind of humbling, you know, because once this goes out to the internet, I don't know who's watching it. I don't have a face with the stuff, and so I've had a few or so different experiences like that. People watching these videos and then coming to say hi, and it's really cool. So for you particular, man, I just want you to keep carving. I'm excited for your journey of carving, and I can't wait to see what you create next. And just, like, again, thank you for the conversation. So I love y'all. God bless. We are doing a lot of big things, and so, like I said in the beginning, I had just a couple quick minutes to kind of put out a video, and this is the kind of in-between stage of some big projects. And so God bless. Again, thank you for joining me on this journey of changing the world one piece at a time. And yeah, talk to y'all soon.